Therefor, and today we have the dance of the parents. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do Petit developpé, and we're going to join this step to yesterday's combination. We're going to do it in the center, put your shoes on, and let's get to it. In the Cuban Ballet School, we call it Petit developpé because the action is like very similar to developpé, but it's petit. It's small. However, they also call it pas de cheval in some other schools. And in pas de cheval means the horse step, and it takes its name because of the symbols when the horse pulls the feet in before kicking out again. So that's meant to be pas de cheval. When we do petit developpé, we are going to do coup de pied, and without stop continue to open forward. It's very similar to a developpé. It can be done forward, to the side, and to the back. We do not wrap the foot around the ankles and open. No. Either way, whichever you use, wrapping or not wrapping, or you call it petit developpé or pas de cheval. You're not wrong, it's just that different schools have different terms, different names, and different characteristics, okay? We have to focus on supporting leg, really tall and elongated, because we don't rest and the hips don't get on level. Rather, we keep hips level, straight line, supporting leg. We are going to keep on the horse by pushing your knee back, heel forward. Awesome. Now, it's really important to see a little bit of accent. Although we don't stop, we have to do accent out and accent out. This petit développé or pas de cheval can be done ending in demi-plié. It can be done ending on relevé. It can be also done on point. And now, as I said before, we are going to join this step to yesterday's jete combo that we did on the bar, but today we're going to do it in the center. This time we're going to be in a third position, no bar, croisé, facing the right diagonal in front of us, arms on brava, right leg in front. With the music we are going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 tendu, close 2, open 3, close 4, and now remember that we did tendu and flex. We are going to do petit développé and close and stay. 1 jete and close, 2 jete and close, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to change arms and we're going to repeat everything to the back. 1 tendu and close, 3, 4, petit développé. Now my knee goes back and we peel off, open to the back. Awesome. 5, 6 and close, 7, jete, jete 1 and close 2, jete 3, close 4 and accent 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Now we open and fast. So this is a tendu entourage. We have arms in 5th position, right arm in 5th position. We are going to open and turn and fast together and close, tendu and close. Petit développé to the side and look to the same side that the leg open and close to the back. We are going to do 2 jetés, 1, 2, 3, 4, and first position now, 5, 6, 7, close to the back, and we're going to end croisé, facing right diagonal in front of us, left leg in front. And from here, we are going to do petit développé or pas de cheval, arms and leg open to the side, open to the back, plié, pas de bourrée, and we end again left leg in front, and we are going to repeat everything to the other side. Okay, so let's mark the exercise one more time. Focus on arms coordination. Some quick tips though. Always remember that your body weight goes slightly over the toes of the supporting leg, super tall. When we go forward, slightly back, and we are doing to the back, slightly forward, yet your body weight is still over the toes of the supporting leg. Your heel almost lifting out of the ground. Don't lift it though, okay? So let's do the exercise one more time, the music, and then we're gonna do it with music. This time I'm gonna show you to the left side, left leg in front, croisé. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, jete. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in 5, 6, 7, 8 to the back, and change arms, tendu and close, tendu and close, petit développé and close, stay, stay, jete, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, while I'm doing this, I'm noticing that my body weight is going with the working leg. Remember, slide it forward and super control and lift it. So 7, 8. To the side, open together. 1 and close to the back. 2, close in front. Petit developpe. Close and stay, stay, jete. 1 and change. 1, change, and now first, close to the back. Croisé, right leg in front, facing the left diagonal in front of us. And here, slowly take your time to do petit développé and close to the side, close to the back, plié, pas de bourrée. And now, because of the rhythm of the music changed a little bit, we are going to repeat the music from the beginning and do the entire exercise to the other side. Let's do it with music. Ready? Dandy. Petit. Jete. To the back. Petit, stay. Jete. Change accent. To the side. Petit développé. Jete. First, and change. Petit développé, take your time. To the back. Take your time. Plié. Pas de bourrée. Dandy. Dandy. Stay up, super elongated. Jete. Into the back. Over the toes of the supporting leg. Side. Jete. First croisé. Slowly. To the back.